Hey guys, so it is the 3rd of July, not the 4th. Tomorrow's the 4th. And I'm here with Vin Vlogger, Lavinia,
Hi.
as usual. Not as usual, but right now. And we are at her church, and as you can see, there are a bunch of people here already. It's gonna get even more hectic around 9. It's only like 7:20, 7:30 right now. And right now we are actually going to walk around and see what they have, because it looks like they have some food up there that they're selling, barbecue for the 8th grade. And then there's a bunch of people playing, so we're gonna go check it out. So this is the other side. Yep, this is the back view with all the people.
There's all the people.
Yeah.
Vlog inception.
Hey! Henry came to join us. Look how happy he is.
You haven't shown me all the people.
I have, but yeah, here's an update on all the people. All those people. Woo! We got Finn drinking water. Hi there, honey boy.
Dude.
Henry! So it's after 9. It's like 9:05, maybe a bit later. There are cops here. We have one over there. We got one back there, and we actually have one over there. So fireworks will be shot off right over here.
Yeah, they should be going up any second.
So we're just gonna wait, and in the meantime, you all get to watch Henry. There's hearts. Hey guys, so we're actually heading to the car now. As you can see, stuff is clearing up pretty quickly. Sadly, when the fireworks first started, Henry got so scared that he started to run, which Lavinia then had to run after him and hold him in case he ran into the street. Luckily he didn't, but then he had to be driven home, and so now on our way home we're gonna go check on little baby Henry. Look at that! That's so cool! It's a light up little gear shift.
Yeah.
That's the word for it.
Yeah.
Gear shift. So we're actually home now, but we're actually now going to go out and get slushies. Henry is doing much better. He's still a bit mad at us, but he's much better than he was. So we are now in Lavinia's mom's car, going to go get slushies and then come back. All right, guys, so we got our on the run slushies, as you can see. We are going to head back and edit. Hey guys, it's me. Guess I forgot to do an outro again. Glad you guys liked the video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.